In this video, we are going to explain how to use Manus AI for beginners with 7 examples when it comes to use cases. So, for those who don't know, a use case is a structured description of how a user interacts with a system to achieve a specific goal. So, you can outline the steps, actors, and system responses via this use case. So, what are the use cases, or how can we use Manus AI very in-depthly, right? So, there are 7 that we can show you. So one is website cloning. You can clone a website, right? You can just feed Manus AI a website and ask it to clone it, right? Although do take note that whether it's cloning or creating it, having it code and create an actual website from scratch, it's going to take minutes. So the more complex the order, the instructions, it's gonna the longer it's going to take, right? So website cloning is number one. Number two is comprehensive market research. If you are looking to research a certain market and expand your business or your brand, comprehensive market research is another one. Number three is automated data analysis. Number four is app development. That's right, you can actually have Manus AI develop an app for you if you want to do that. Number five is SEO traffic analysis. This is on the more lighter side of things. Number six is social media strategy. If you want to, again, if you want to expand the reach of your brand or your product, social media strategy is one of the best ways to do so, and Manus AI can really go in depth, right? And number seven is financial or stock analysis. If you are into stock exchange, into crypto, or any financial endeavors, Manus AI can also help you with that. So those are the 7 ones. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.